Beginner level exercises are suitable for those that haven't had much experience exercising for knee pain, maybe have just had a recent injury, or people that are recovering for surgery or about to go into surgery. So I'm going to demonstrate a few basic exercises for your knee, and you can follow along at home. The beginner level exercises are all about getting good movement to the knee. So getting the knee joint used to moving and getting some of the muscles used to working and getting a little bit stronger in preparation for some more advanced exercises. So we're going to start off with an exercise called knee extension. So basically that just means straightening out the knee. So with this exercise, you want to keep the knee as straight as you can. You want to try and get as much movement in as is comfortable, and you want to keep your toe pointed to the ceiling. Okay. The next exercise I want to show you is called knee flexion. So this is bringing the foot back and forwards, back and forwards. And you can see this is just getting the knee bending and getting the muscles in your leg working. And you can do this with one leg if you have one knee that is particularly sore, or you can do it with both. Okay, for the next exercise, you're going to need something that you can rest your foot on. So that might be a little stool, or in my case here, I've got a little step. A little bit close, you just want to bring your foot up on top, just so your leg can get flat. And basically you're just going to tense the muscles in your quad and try and push your knee down a little bit. So I'll demonstrate what I mean, just like that. So you can see the muscles in my leg turning on, and it's just pushing that knee down a little bit. So you can tell this is quite a gentle exercise. The knee's not moving too much. This is a really good one if knee movement is extremely painful. Good work. Now we're going to do some stretches. So just get you to shuffle to the end of the chair. Put one leg out straight and one leg bent. I'm just going to slide your hand down your leg as far as is comfortable. So you should feel a stretch down the back of your leg. And with this stretch, you can always adjust how big of a stretch you want. You can go a little bit further, you're feeling more flexible, or you can come back up. Just wherever you start to feel that stretch, you can just hold it there. And your muscles should start to loosen up a little bit as you stretch, so you can go a little bit further as you go along. Okay. And again, you can do that on both sides, or you can do that just on the side that you're exercising. It's really up to you. Okay, so this exercise can be done lying down, but I'm going to show you a seated version. So it's called the straight leg raise. So for the seated version, we're practically going to be in that same position. So having one leg bent and one leg straight out, but instead of leaning forward and stretching, we're going to lift this leg straight up and back down. So you can hold on to something if you need to, just a bit of stability. And straight up and straight back down. So you might be able to feel those muscles in your quads really working to lift that leg, keep it still and to bring it back down again. This is a really fantastic exercise for your knee joint and for your whole lower limb. One more. Well done. Okay, so the last one here, shuffle across a little bit, you're stepping out to the side and back into the center. So this is just a nice and gentle one, just to get your legs moving, your heart rate up a little bit, and that knee joint moving. Okay, thanks for watching and joining me in these exercises for your knee pain. If you would like any more advice or you would like to get in contact with a physio from the Physio Co, we would love to help you create a personalized exercise program to manage your knee pain and just help with whatever goal you want to achieve or those tasks that you might be struggling with. We would love to help. So please contact us here at the Physio Co through the website or call our friendly support office, and we would love to get in touch with you. Have a great day.